Hey learners, I'm Sonia and I welcome you to the Brazen Academy powered by Brazen Group. So Brazen is your trusted Salesforce consultant partner for over a decade across the American and Caribbean. Here we help you to master Salesforce through hands-on lessons, real-world projects and certification-ready courses. Watch, learn and then head over to the academy.brazengroup.com to take your skills further. You can enroll in full course, appears for exams, and earn Brazen certified badges to showcase on LinkedIn and in your resume. So subscribe now and join thousands of learners transforming their careers with Brazen Academy, where learning meets certification. So this is the fourth video of Salesforce Certified Platform Admin. In this video, we will cover Salesforce security and access. So what is Salesforce security? So it ensures that only the authorized users can view and modify the sensitive data. So for that, we will dive into the Salesforce access controls by covering OWD settings, role hierarchy, sharing rules, and manual sharing. So first we have what is OWD settings. The org wide default setting. So in OWD setting controls the baseline level of record access across the organization. So we have four types of access level. Mainly we have private, public read only, public read write, and controlled by parent. So in simple terms, OWD handles the record level access of the records. So for that we have like private. It means that only record owner and those in the higher roles can view and edit the record. Next we have public read only. All users can view, but only the owner can modify it. Next, then we have public read write. Everyone can view and edit these records. Then at last we have the control by parent. So in that case, the access depends on the parent record settings. For example, we have the objects account and contact. If uh, account is parent of the contact, then contact objects OWD setting will be dependent on the account object. So let's see in the Salesforce org and how we can handle the OWD settings. For that, go to the sharing settings. In the sharing settings, we have all these objects: lead, account, contact, order, asset, opportunity, and their OWD settings like this is private and read, this is controlled by parent, and this is uh, public full access. This is public read and write. So we can set all these by using OWD setting. Click on edit and check. For now, we have opportunity public read and write. It means that everyone can see the opportunities. Every user can view and edit the opportunities. For example, let's create an opportunity named Brazen Group and go to the setup. In the setup, log in as another user and check if you are able to see the opportunities that you have created as an admin. So for an another user, if I check opportunity called Brazen Group, this is visible here. Like everyone can access and edit it. I can also edit this within another user. So next we have if we So next we have let's edit the WD setting for the opportunity. Let's make it private and click on save. Now for the opportunity object. Opportunity object OWT setting should be private. It's not private. Let's do it again. So now opportunity is private. Let's go and check. Let's create one more record. Name it as Brazen Academy. And then log in another user to check if this record is also available for the another user. Here you can check as all the records are created by the admin, so nothing is available for these user. So if our opportunity is private, on WD setting is private, then another user will not be able to view and edit it. Let's log out and again change it to the public read only. This is how we can. This is how we can control the access of the records for private, public, and public read, right? Next, we have role hierarchy. So, what is the role hierarchy? Role hierarchy determines records access based on user roles. Higher roles automatically inherit access to records owned by lower roles. So, for example, for the role hierarchy, like consider there is two users, one is manager and another is supervisor. So, in the role hierarchy, manager will be up in the upper role than the supervisor. So manager will be able to see the all the records that supervisor has created. So this is how role hierarchy works. But supervisor will not be able to see the manager's record. So next we have sharing rules. So sharing rules allow broader access to records based on ownership or criteria. There are mainly two types of sharing rule. One is owner based and another one is criteria based. Owner based, it share records based on the ownership, like it will share all the records owned by a specific user. And in the criteria based, it will share records based on a specific field value, like share records where the opportunity amount exceeded $1,000. So for the sharing rule, let's go to our org and check how sharing rule works. For that, first we have to go to the sharing settings. As we have set opportunity to private, let's create one sharing rule on the opportunity. Click on new, like if page needs analysis. So I'm creating a criteria based sharing rule. If the stage, if the value of the stage field is equal to the need analysis, then I want to share it with the group name as team. You can share it with roles and internal subordinates and roles and internal and portal subordinates. So I'm sharing for now with the team with the access of read write. Let's check needs analysis. The sharing role is created. Now let's go to the another user and check if these records are visible to him or not. So that record is not visible to this user. Let's change the stage. Let's change the stage value. So now first make sure you are login as your user and then go to the details and change the stage name. Need analysis for the Brazen Academy. Now go to your user and log in again. And now this is visible to this user. That's how we can create sharing rules based on the criteria based and ownership based. Next, we have manual sharing. If you want to manually share your records to some another user, then we can do it on the record itself. Here we have sharing button and click on that button and select the user. I have only one user there, so I'm selecting that only. So in order to summarize, Salesforce security and access control data visibility and user permission through mechanism like OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rules, and manual sharing, ensuring that only authorized user can access or modify sensitive information. Great job completing this session. If you found this video helpful, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you'll never miss the next episode in the Salesforce journey. If you're watching this video on YouTube and want to go beyond YouTube, head over to the academy.brazengroup.com to take the full course and attend the certification exam and earn your Brazen certificate badge, ready to shine on LinkedIn and your resume. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video right here at Brazen Academy, where learning meets certification. Thank you. Be bold, be present.